First, go to isolatedstudy.in/marketplace. Click on Register and fill in the details. Website name, company name, business. Website official email. Some fields are optional. Feel free to skip those. Then, create a strong password. Check the box that says I agree with all conditions and hit Submit. You'll be automatically redirected to the login page. Enter your email and password, and you're in. You're now on the Profile Management page. You can update your profile details here if needed. At the bottom, there's a Choose File option. Here, upload a text file that includes details about what you sell on your website. Your product names, prices once uploaded, your bot is now configured and ready. Now go to the Chatbot widget section. You'll see a short script. Copy it. Next, paste this script into your website's HTML code, wherever you want the chatbot to appear. Done. Your chatbot is now live and active. Whenever a customer visits your website and enters their email through the Widget Chatbot, you automatically receive their email ID. These email addresses are saved in a text file within your dashboard.